Disclaimer: I am not a licensed medical professional or nutritionist. The content in this video is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or medical condition. Before making significant changes to your diet, particularly if you have any pre-existing health conditions, are pregnant, nursing, or taking medications, please consult with a qualified healthcare provider or physician. Always prioritize professional medical advice tailored to your individual health needs. We hear the term detox everywhere, but what does it actually mean for your body? In this segment, we'll explore how your body naturally detoxifies itself, the role of organs like your liver and kidneys, and whether adding juice to your diet enhances or replaces those natural processes. Join me as I break down the science, myths, and facts behind juicing for detoxing. Whether you're a juice enthusiast or just curious, this is the video you've been waiting for. Starting off with part 1, what does detox really mean? Detoxification is your body's natural process of removing and neutralizing harmful substances, or toxins, that come from both internal and external sources. These toxins might include: 1. Internal toxins, byproducts of normal metabolic functions, such as ammonia or lactic acid. 2. External toxins, substances like pollutants, pesticides, alcohol, medications, and processed food additives. Your body has a highly efficient built-in detox system, which primarily relies on: 1. The liver. The liver is your body's main detox powerhouse. It filters blood, processes nutrients, and breaks down harmful substances into forms that can be excreted. It converts toxins into water-soluble compounds, which are then passed to the kidneys, or into bile, which is sent to the intestines for removal. 2. The kidneys. Your kidneys filter your blood, removing waste products and excess substances, like salt and water, through urine. They help regulate and balance your body's fluid levels and electrolytes. 3. The digestive system. The digestive tract helps remove waste through regular bowel movements. This is where dietary fiber is critical. It binds to waste products and toxins and helps flush them out of your system. 4. The lymphatic system. This system removes cellular waste and supports your immune system in fighting infections. It acts like a drainage system for toxins, directing them to your bloodstream for processing. 5. The lungs and skin. The lungs expel carbon dioxide, a byproduct of respiration, with every breath. Your skin helps eliminate waste through sweat and serves as a protective barrier against environmental toxins. What role can juicing play? While juicing itself doesn't replace these processes, nutrient-rich juices can support your detox systems by: 1. Providing antioxidants. Compounds like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids can neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress on your detox organs. 2. Hydrating the body. Juices with high water content, like cucumber or watermelon, help flush waste through the kidneys. 3. Supplying fiber. If pulp is included, fiber from whole fruits and vegetables supports digestive health and helps bind toxins for elimination. 4. Boosting enzyme activity. Certain juices, like those from cruciferous vegetables, kale, broccoli, may enhance liver enzyme activity that supports toxin breakdown. While juicing can complement your body's natural detox process, it's not a replacement for a healthy diet, hydration, exercise, and restful sleep, all of which play essential roles in maintaining an effective detox system. Join us in our next video for part 2.